everybody, we got a new kit today, which is called Zinc-Carbon Battery. Now let's see what's inside. I'm gonna push this. So we'll go to the sides. Ooh! Look! There's this. And look, there's liquid wires. And there is zinc-carbon battery, a little story about it. Liquid wires, the experiment, and the zinc-carbon battery. Today we are going to be doing a zinc-carbon battery. Make your own battery. First thing we're gonna do is have 3 small spoons of graphite into here. So, need to open that. I'll be there. Okay, such really small. That's 1. 2. 3. That's the last one. So we'll put that there. Save this for later. Or maybe when we want to make another one. And then put this on, put this on, and then now shake it for 10 seconds. Take this off, please, Mommy. I can't. Yeah. I'll save this for later over there. So now we are going to use this, pour it out, pour it out. We are going to put this lead piece in here. Ah! It's falling. Come on, get in. And then we are going to put this on it and make sure it's all the way down to the bottom. Right here, and then we will put one of these tubes on it. We will put one of these tubes on it. So it should look like this when you're done. And then the next thing is we have this. This should go here. And then we should put this.
What is this?
The little kind of like, this is a little funnel, and we will put it on top of here.
On top of the tube.
Top of the tube, but I can't seem to get it on. You'll be needing your parents' help to put the funnel on. And 3 small spoonfuls of MnO2. need to take this off.
Which is the funnel.
We'll need to take the funnel off and put one of these.
What
And
are
you'll
they?
also, they're kind of like absorbent. These are absorbent things.
Absorbent sponges?
Yes. And you'll also need your parents' help putting this on. And then we will need 10 drops of NH4Cl. You can open that, Mama. Please open it. Okay. I think we need to pierce it. Yeah, we definitely need to pierce it. Okay.
Okay, that'll work.
And then we'll do 10 drops. And then we'll need to cap it back. Now we're going to use the screw. We're going to push it down on the little cotton thing, and then is it all the way down? It is. Okay, there it is. There's one. And then we need to do the same thing over again with that one to make it 2. Because we need to do half. We are going to repeat it again because we need 2 homemade batteries. So we're gonna repeat it. Gonna put the batteries into here, so which goes to which? Make sure the screw goes here on this side, the metal goes on this side, and the lead goes on the other side. Now let's do it again. Oh! No, place it at me. Some metal. Yeah. Is it in there yet? Trying to see if it's... Now we're gonna connect the crocodile clips. So, red. Come on. Get on. Okay, the red's on. And then we'll leave black. Black's on. Now connect it to the transparent LED light.
Now let's move this.
keep it in here to see if we'll have to wait a bit.
No, so maybe it's the opposite way. Let's flip them around.
Ah.
Because the light's supposed to be turning on.
Looks like Mom had to move the battery.
Sometimes you have to adjust the metal, so make sure the screw is actually touching the metals. So now you created battery. So as you could see closer.
Gee, we did it. We did it.